The fastest way to kill a GoHighLevel agency is to guess at your prices. You either charge so little that you're working for free, or you throw out a random number, the client flinches, and you panic and discount it. Today, we're gonna fix that for good. I'm gonna show you exactly what AI services to offer, how to package them so they sell, and the real numbers, both what to charge and what it actually costs you, so you can see your margins and price with confidence. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery. This video is the business side of everything we build on this channel. You can know how to build an AI receptionist or a lead qualifier, but if you don't know how to package and price it, you don't have a business, you have a hobby. So let's turn your skills into offers that people actually pay for. First, let's get the offers straight. There are really 4 AI services worth selling with GoHighLevel, and you've probably seen some of them built. Offer 1 is the AI lead qualifier, the bot that talks to inbound leads, scores them, and books the good ones. Offer 2 is the AI receptionist, the voice AI that answers the phone, handles questions, and books appointments. Offer 3 is the review and reputation engine, the system that automatically asks happy customers for reviews and pulls them up the Google rankings. And offer 4 is the full AI employee, which is all of it bundled together, the calls, the chats, the follow-up, and reviews working as one system. Those 4 are your menu. Now here's the mistake that almost everyone makes. They sell one little piece, a single workflow, for a tiny one-time fee, and then they wonder why they're broke. The money is not in selling a workflow. The money is in selling an outcome on a monthly plan. Nobody wants to buy a workflow. They want more booked appointments and fewer missed calls. So we package these offers around the result, and we charge monthly because the value shows up every single month. Let me give you a package structure that works. A good, a better, and a best setup. People naturally compare 3 options and pick the middle one, so we use that to our advantage. Your good tier is one core service, say the AI receptionist alone, answering calls and booking appointments. Your better tier, the one you actually want most people to pick, is the receptionist plus the review engine plus follow-up. Your better tier is the full AI employee, everything running together, priority support, and maybe a monthly reporting call. 3 tiers, and you anchor the conversation on the best tier first, so the middle one feels reasonable by comparison. Now the part that you came for, the numbers. I'm gonna give you ranges because your market and your skill level matter, but these are real. Most agencies charge a setup fee plus a monthly fee. The setup fee covers building it and customizing it, and it runs anywhere from a few $100s up to a couple $1,000 for a full build, depending on how custom it is. The monthly fee is where the real business lives. For a single AI receptionist, agencies commonly charge somewhere in the $200 to $400 a month range. For the full AI employee, the whole system bundled, that climbs into $300 to $600 a month range, and higher in bigger markets. That is per client every month, mostly hands off once it's built. So here's where I want to be straight with you, because this is the part most pricing videos skip. You have costs. To deliver this, you need a GoHighLevel plan, and the AI features have their own pricing. The AI employee bundle, which gives a client unlimited use of voice AI, conversation AI, and the review tools, runs about $97 a month per sub account. Voice AI on its own costs around 13 cents a minute at the agency level. If you don't have GoHighLevel yet, and you want to actually deliver these services, well, there's a link in the description to start a free trial, and using it supports the channel at no extra cost to you. The trial is for 30 days, so it's plenty of time to build your first system and land your first client before you're actually paying for anything. So let's do the math, because this is the whole point. Say you charge a client $300 a month for an AI receptionist. Your cost to run it, the AI employee bundle at around $97, leaves you roughly $200 in margin every month on that one client. And that is before you even optimize. If you build a voice AI by the minute, the spread is even wider. Your cost is about 13 cents a minute, and agencies routinely resell that at $1 to $3 a minute. That's an 85 to 95% margin on the call time. Now stick with me, because in a second, I'm gonna tell you the one pricing mistake that quietly caps your whole business. Here's the mistake: pricing off your costs instead of the value. If you build your price by taking your cost and adding a little markup, you'll always be cheap because your costs are tiny. The client does not care that it costs you $100. They care that the missed calls you're catching are worth thousands. So price off what it's worth to them. Sit down with the prospect and do the math out loud. Ask how many calls they miss in a week. Ask what one new customer is worth to them. When they say a new client is worth $1,000 and your system catches them for a month, your $300 fee looks like a bargain, and you never have to defend it. A few more pricing rules that will save you. First, always charge a setup fee. It filters out the tire kickers, it pays you for the build, and a client who paid to set it up is far less likely to cancel. Second, never compete on being the cheapest. There's always someone willing to do it for less and do it badly. Compete on the results and on actually showing up. Third, build in your AI usage costs. Do not just eat them. Either bake the cost into the monthly price with room to spare, or pass through the usage with your markup so a heavy month never turns into a loss. Fourth, raise your prices as you get proof. Your 10th client should pay more than your first, because by then you have case studies and confidence. So let me also tell you how to land the first one when you have no track record. Your first client, charge a fair but lower rate, maybe even a reduced setup in exchange for a testimonial and the right to use their results. That first result is worth more than the money because it's what lets you charge full price to everyone afterwards. So get the proof, then raise the price. All right, quick recap. The 4 offers worth selling are the AI lead qualifier, the AI receptionist, the AI review engine, and the full AI employee. Package them as good, better, best, and sell the outcome on the monthly plan, not a one-time workflow. Charge a setup fee plus monthly, with the receptionist leading around $200 to $400 a month, and the full system $300 to $600. Your real cost is small. The AI employee bundle around $97 a month, or voice AI at 13 cents a minute, so your margins are huge. And price off of the value to the client, never off your costs alone. Do that and you have a real business, not just a hobby. So if you want to try out any of these tools or resources that we've mentioned today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you, and it really helps support the channel and lets us keep making free Go High Level videos like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Go High Level Mastery, we teach you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and grow your business using Go High Level the right way, whether you're brand new or leveling up your agencies. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.